Today I'm sharing the ultimate shortcut to financial independence. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Set clear goals. Define what financial independence means to you and break it down into achievable milestones. Think about what you want to achieve, whether it's retiring early, buying a home, or traveling the world. Having a clear vision will keep you motivated on your journey. Step 2. Take control of your finances by creating a budget and sticking to it. Track your income and expenses, prioritize your spending, and cut back on non-essentials. Every dollar saved gets you closer to financial freedom. Step 3. Pay off high-interest debt aggressively to free up more money for your goals. Use strategies like the debt snowball or debt avalanche method to tackle your debts one by one. The sooner you pay them off, the faster you'll progress towards financial independence. Step 4. Diversify your income. Don't rely on a single source of income. Explore opportunities for additional streams of revenue. Consider side hustles, freelance work, or passive income streams like investments or rental properties. Multiple income streams provide stability and accelerate your journey to financial independence. Step 5. Invest for growth. Put your money to work for you by investing wisely for the future. Educate yourself about different investment options and create a diversified portfolio aligned with your risk tolerance and goals. Investing early and consistently is key to building wealth over time. And there you have it, folks. Follow these 5 steps, and you'll be well on your way to financial independence.